This is a modified Maqueen robot car. An optical distance sensor is attached to the head. It is looking around so that it does not hit the wall. When it is about to hit something, it stops and will search where it can go. Are you interested? May be used for lunar exploration. Microbit is used, which is inexpensive and easily available. It is shaking the head, with a servo motor. It is funny, isn't it? Looks like alive. Programs can be easily created, with MakeCode software. You can switch from MakeCode to JavaScript, to add finer control. An ebook explaining this system has been published by Amazon Kindle. It is described in detail, from hardware to software. Since there are many charts, it is easy to understand the flow of the program. The program is also explained in detail, so it is easy to add or change your own. You may know the saying, an uncut gem does not sparkle. Therefore, this is very useful for practicing programming. It includes various interfaces, such as PWM and servo control. This is also suitable for STEM teaching materials for young people. You can visit it from many URLs. You will be able to take a step towards creativity. I look forward to your breakthrough. Thank you for your viewing.